Today YouTube, it's me, Ross Park here. It's April 1st, and as you can see, our snow here in New Brunswick is disappearing quickly. Here's my wheeler, 2020 Honda Rubicon 520. I affectionately call her Ducky. Anyways, I just did a fresh oil change on her the other day. It has, let's see here, 990 kilometers on it. You see right there. So it hasn't been used that much, mostly for plowing and stuff like that. A few trail rides. Maybe I'll take it for a quick rip out to the pit. Actually, we'll probably go around the streets here first, just to warm it up a little bit better. It's been running for about 10 minutes, but warm her up a little bit. Put her in automatic there. Raining pretty good here right now, but we ain't sugar, we won't melt. Try the trail and two-wheel drive, see how we do. Oh, here we go. I can still see my snowmobile tracks here from the winter. I've got videos on my channel there of my Polaris Switchback Assault 850 if you want to watch those. It's new to me. It was brand new when I bought it. It was a leftover. Had 0.3 of a kilometer on it. Now she's got 380 something. So I didn't get to use it very much. We had a short season, so as you can see, it's April 1st, and yeah, we don't have very much snow. More snow out here than there is anywhere else. Put it in four-wheel drive here for a second. There we go. Little trail that goes down around there and up through there. Yeah. Anyways, YouTube, that's a short little trip up to the pit. Yeah, there's a little bit of garbage in around here, but anyways, it's not a bad spot. Just a quick little drive from the house. Anyways, YouTube, I make these videos for my son and my daughter that live quite a ways away from me, and I don't get to see them only in the summer, so anyways, I make it for them because it's the videos are too big for email or Facebook or anything like that. So anyways, YouTube, have a good day. Hope you liked the video, and I'll talk to you later. Bye bye.